Well, C and H, those two great letters, make a whole new sound when they hook together, and the sound is ch. It's the one you'll find in the choo-choo chugging on the C and H line. When the choo-choos come and all the children cheer, a chimp named Charlie is the engineer. He pulls the chain on the whistle and he rings the chime on the choo-choo chugging on the C and H line. C-H goes ch in chili and cheese, chimneys, churches, and cherry trees. Chubby chinchillas doing their chores, we're straight up chilling in the great outdoors. Yeah, C and H make a charming pair in words like chocolate, chicken, and chair, 'cause together they're ch. Keep that in mind when the choo-choo's chugging on the C and H line. The choo-choo's chugging on the C and H line.